Hey, check it out. Today I'm going to put cornbread on pizza. Let's get started by mixing our cornbread batter. In a large mixing bowl, we combine our dry ingredients first. 3/4 cup cornmeal, 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Give that a little mix. In a separate bowl, we mix the wet ingredients. 1/4 cup melted butter, 1 egg, 1 cup milk. Mix that up. Now we add our wet ingredients to the dry ones and mix it all up real nicely. Now spoon the mixture into a pastry bag and store it in the fridge until we're ready to top the pizza. If you don't have a pastry bag, that's fine. You can just use your spoon to top your pizza when the time comes. Now let's cook some bacon. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, not wax paper. Wax paper melts and will make your bacon taste like crayons. Lay out your bacon, leaving some space between each slice. Now we cook it in a preheated 375-degree oven for about 15 minutes. You want it crispy but not totally cooked to death. When it comes out, transfer to a plate with a paper towel. Let your bacon cool completely, and then we rough dice it. As long as the cutting board is out, we might as well go ahead and dice up some chives and shred a little Asiago cheese. Now we are ready to build our pizza. I'm using my standard all-purpose pizza dough recipe for this pizza. The link for that is in the description of this video. On a floured surface, stretch your dough nice and thin. Transfer to a peel with a little semolina or cornmeal on it. Hit your dough with some olive oil and spread all around. This helps prevent your pizza from getting a gum line when baking. Now we spread about 1/4 cup of Asiago and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. Go ahead and add your crispy bacon. Bacon here, bacon there, bacon everywhere. Let's get that cornbread on it. You want to put quarter-sized dollops all over this thing. Finally hit it with some of those diced chives. Perfect. I'm going to throw this onto a preheated pizza steel and cook for 9 minutes at 550 degrees. It's looking good. We just need one last ingredient. A healthy drizzle of some Mike's hot honey. Any other hot honey will do, though. I just like Mike's. There you have it. Cornbread on pizza. Oh, it smells good. That's really good. The cornbread is light and airy, but has so much flavor, and it adds a texture that you wouldn't get normally. The bacon is good and crispy. The Mike's hot honey gives it just that little extra it needs. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.